Hair smoothing at home. Every woman wants to have smooth and silky hair. Short or long, straight or curly, but shiny hair always gives a good impression. But hectic city life, traffic pollutants and stress ruins the beauty of the hair. Fortunately, you don't have to buy expensive products and without paying for salon treatments. Although natural way of smoothing is temporary and that does not affect your hair, while chemical smoothing is permanent and lasts for minimum 6 months, but it causes damage to your hair if you will not care properly. Well, here are some homemade tips that which helps you in getting off smoothing hair at home. Method 1. Ingredients: 1. Yogurt, 2. Castor oil, 3. Egg, 4. Aloe vera gel. Making with egg. Take a clean bowl. Now add 5 to 6 spoons plain thick yogurt. Depends on your hair, you can add more or less. But remember that curd should not be loose. Now add 2 teaspoons of castor oil. Add 1 egg including egg yolk. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly to prepare a paste for hair mask. Now you have to apply to your complete hair by dividing into 2 parts. Wait for 30 minutes until it gets dried. Now you can remove hair mask only with normal water. Does not use hot water because if you do so, egg will not get removed from your hair. Now we will show another step that helps you to remove egg smell from your hair. Ingredients: lemon essential oil or lemon juice. For this we have to take a bowl of water. Now add 10 to 15 drops of lemon essential oil. If you don't have lemon oil, you can use 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Wash your hair with that water so that you won't get smell in your hair. Now you can use regular shampoo and conditioner for your hair. Making with aloe vera gel. Take a clean bowl. Now add 5 to 6 spoons plain thick yogurt. Depends on your hair, you can add more or less. But remember that curd should not be loose. Add 2 teaspoons of castor oil, 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly to prepare a paste for hair mask. Now you have to apply to your complete hair by dividing your hair into 2 parts. Wait for 30 minutes until it gets dried. Now you can remove your hair mask with normal water and you can use shampoo and conditioner as usual. Conclusion: so, by using any of above home remedies, you will get smooth, strong and silky hair. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.